Are you looking for an amazing diving adventure here in the Philippines? Welcome to Anilao, Mabini, Batangas, the birthplace of Philippine scuba diving industry. Welcome to my channel. I'm here and I'm Leah. In this series of Anilao Batangas travel videos, I will gonna drive you to the popular place here in Mabini, Batangas. We will going to visit Anilao Seaport, we will explore different dive sites here in Anilao and begin our diving adventure. You will be amazed by the underwater beauty of Anilao. Beautiful corals, rich marine biodiversity and sea creatures like sea turtles, giant clams, nudibranch, moray eel, octopus, and different varieties of colorful tropical fishes.